to today's science experiment. Welcome to the science lab, aka my dining room. So for today's science experiment, we will be making a storm in a glass. Yes, you heard me, a storm in a glass. For today's science experiment, you will need a glass of water, food coloring of your choice. You will need shaving cream, a spoon, and a smaller glass of water that we will put to the side for later. Maybe, just maybe, an umbrella, since we are making a storm in a glass. Now, to start off our science experiment, we will need to put some shaving cream inside of the glass of water. The goal is to put enough in there to make an even layer across the top. So you can smooth it out with your fingers, or you can smooth it out with a spoon. We can pretend that this is a small slice of atmosphere. So the white puffy stuff, or the shaving cream up top, represents the clouds, and the water beneath represents the air inside of our atmosphere. Now remember, clouds are made of water, and they can get more water in them depending on a circumstance or the condition. So I'm gonna add more water to our clouds. This is just a half cup of water with about 10 drops, somewhere between 10 to 15 drops of food coloring in it. And we are going to mix it like so. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add 1 spoonful of water. As we add the spoonfuls of water, we will see how much our cloud can hold before it seeps through. So let's go. That's 1 spoonful, 2 spoonfuls, 3 spoonfuls. Wow, 3 spoonfuls of water. Did you guys see that? That's pretty awesome, right? I did not need my umbrella this time, but try it out for yourself. The amount of shaving cream and the amount of water can also be different depending on how much shaving cream you want to put in, whether it's more or whether it's less. And that will determine whether or not you get a sprinkle storm or a thunderstorm. So try it out and come back next time for more science projects.